Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I will try to help you to recover your password. I hope that this method will work for you as it has for me in the past. So, let's imagine a situation in which you cannot find your DSL internet password and you need to type it into your new router for it to work. The good thing is that it's already in the router you use, right here, but it seems as you will be unable to extract it as it has been converted into these dots and you cannot copy them. Well, there is a simple solution to that. Because parts of the website's code are stored temporarily on your computer, you can change it however you want. The part you want to change is the type of the input field. Here's how to do that. First, right-click the field that you want to change, then select Inspect. Some type of debugging window should appear. Its design will vary from one browser to another, but it still will serve the same purpose. The tool has highlighted a part of code responsible for the input field. Look for a parameter called type. It should be equal to password. Double-click the value and replace password with text. And there you go, there's your password. In my example, it's the router configuration page we alter, but it will work in any other website. It will work great with auto-filled passwords that you cannot see otherwise. Basically, as long as there is an input box with a type equal to password, you can change it and see the contents. I hope that this worked for you. If it did, please leave a like on the video to help more people and also subscribe to the channel. If it didn't, I wish you best luck on finding a method that will. Have a good one.